How to hide your online status on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp. If you're using Android, tap the three dots in the top right and go to Settings. If you're using an iPhone, the Settings icon is in the bottom right. From here, select Privacy and then tap Last Seen and Online. On this screen, you'll find two sections, one for your last seen, and the other for your online status. At the bottom of the screen, under Who can see when I'm online, you have two options: anyone can see if you're online. Same as my last seen, only people who can see your last seen will see if you're online. If you want to be completely invisible, simply set Last Seen to No One and Online Status to Same as My Last Seen. This way, no one will be able to see when you're active on WhatsApp, not even for a few seconds. Keep in mind that, as always with WhatsApp privacy settings, the rule of reciprocity applies. If you choose to hide your online status, you too will not be able to see others. Changes are saved automatically and can be undone at any time. Now you can open WhatsApp without pressure, in complete freedom and privacy.